I'm not a piece of meat that you could wink at and think that I could see the lust in your eyes. That's not love, that's lust. I want you to understand that, woman, I have feelings and they run deep as a river into an ocean. I have feelings and emotions, and I want you to respect that. To understand me is to understand a woman. I give more than I take. To the people I love and the people I don't know, I'm a godsend. I'm an outdated man, but the man of the future. I'm a heaven, in heaven and hell. I walk in God's path and understand His teachings. I'm not an ordinary man that wants notches on his penis. I want them on my heart. My heart makes me who I am, and my family makes me proud to be Filipino. I'm not a piece of meat. I'm a human being with feelings and emotions. Respect that. DJ out. Renaissance out.